Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to access Wells Fargo ATM without card. You see, Wells Fargo has implemented technology that allows customers to access their ATMs without needing a physical card. It's a big and method. Now we're going to look about how we're going to how to access Wells Fargo's ATM without card using a digital wallet. First, you have to add your card. You must add your Wells Fargo debit card to support a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay on your smartphone. You can also use a one-time access code. How? Wells Fargo mobile app. You can log into your Wells Fargo mobile app, navigate to card-free ATM access under account settings or services, then request for a one-time 8-digit access code. Then add the Wells Fargo ATM, enter the 8-digit access code, enter your debit or ATM card PIN, and proceed with your transaction. It's as simple as that. You see, it's important for you to note that not all ATMs may have contactless or card-free access, so look for the contactless symbol on the ATM. Then some ATMs in secure locations may still require you to have a physical card for entry. Thanks for watching.